Hi, this is Patty Frucci with My Florida Dreams. I am at 8004 Desoto Drive in Colony Cove, and do I have a house for you? We are currently in this lanai that is huge, overlooking this beautiful lake. Ducks, pelicans, they all come to visit. The lanai is 24 by 14 large. Lots of the furniture is included. We're walking up to the patio in the back that's also screened in. Entering into this large vaulted living room. Has new windows overlooking the lanai. This area here could either be a formal dining room or, as they have it, like a little sitting area. Kitchen is very large and updated with a nice island bar, newer appliances which are stainless steel and white. It's built-in oven. They use this area as their dining room, which sometimes you could use this as a sitting area as well. We're entering into the glassed and Florida room that is 10 by 48. Total square footage of this home is 1,816 with the Florida room. Here we have the entry out to the carport lanai. This is the guest bath that you can enter from the entrance in from the house, which goes into the guest room. This also has a walk-in shower. Guest room is good size. To our right is the master suite. This is a nice size room as well. Lots of light comes in here. Vanity has been updated, has a nice walk-in closet. Shower is a walk-in shower as well that has been redone. Lots of cabinetry. This also has a extra 12 by 20 storage shed that's been added to the original. Here's a nice little bar area that's right off the kitchen. This home is great for entertaining. From the front, it doesn't look this big, so don't let that discourage you. Please give me a call and we'll take a look. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.